Have you ever felt like your entire life depends on just one paycheck, one job, one source of income, one point of failure? If that income disappears, everything feels at risk. But here's the truth most people don't realize early enough. Financial freedom doesn't come from working harder at one thing. It comes from building multiple streams of income. And the good news? You don't need to be rich to start. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to begin. Let's talk about how. First, understand this. Your first income stream is your foundation. Your job, your business, your main hustle. This is what pays your bills. This is your stability. Don't quit it too early. Don't underestimate it. Instead, use it as fuel to build something more. Because the second stream, that's where your journey really begins. Start simple. Ask yourself, what skills do I already have? Maybe you can design. Maybe you can teach. Maybe you can sell. Maybe you can create content. Turn that into a side income. Freelancing, online selling, tutoring, content creation. It doesn't need to be big. It just needs to be real. Because once you earn your first dollar outside your main income, your mindset shifts forever. You stop thinking like a worker and you start thinking like a creator. Now here's the next step. Turn effort into assets. Most beginners stay stuck trading time for money, but real growth happens when your work keeps paying you, even when you stop working. That could be digital products, online courses, investments, rental income, or content that earns over time. At first, it's slow. You'll feel like nothing is happening, like it's not worth it. But this is where most people quit. And this is exactly where you must continue. Because multiple income streams are not built in a day. They are built through consistency, patience, and belief. One stream becomes two becomes three, and suddenly, you're no longer depending on one source. You're protected, you're growing, you're free. And here's something important. You don't need 7 income streams overnight. That's a myth that overwhelms beginners. Focus on one extra stream first. Make it work, then build the next. Slow is fine, simple is fine. What matters is progress, because every stream you build is like planting a tree. At first, it's small, fragile, uncertain, but with time, it grows roots, it becomes strong, and one day, it provides shade, fruit, and security. So start today. Start small. Start messy. Start scared if you have to, but start. Because the life you want, the freedom you dream about, the security you deserve, it's not going to come from one income stream. It's going to come from the courage to build many, one step at a time, one stream at a time, one decision at a time, and your future self will thank you for it.